Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. I have another package here. I recently ordered another Canon gear from the B&H Photo, and this is coming from them. So let's go open the envelope and see what is inside. I'm shooting a lot of video with this Canon 80D, and I finally woke up and realized that I can buy actually a remote control for it, which I was greatly missing. And here it goes. That should be very easy to unpack. And by the way, before I will open this box, I like to use B&H Photo because they have most of the stuff in stock. They have a fast shipping, and if you are out of state, you don't pay a sales tax. But enough about that company, and let's focus on this Canon RC-6 remote controller. So I guess that should be very easy. It's not sealed in the plastic like a lot of stuff recently, right? You buy in different companies. So I believe this is that carrying pouch you can actually put on your belt, maybe even. So that's pretty amazing. I don't think I will ever use it, but oh my goodness, this is so tiny. I had no idea. Just see, comparing to my fingers, how small this thing is. And the other thing in the package was this. What is it? That's not a warranty. That's obviously the user's manual. And since there are only 4 pictures, basically, let me show it to you. So the number 1 says you can choose between immediate release and 2-second delay release with the button which is on the back. This is how you're supposed to point it towards to your DSLR. This is actually how you attach that soft case, and here is the replacing battery, and that's it. And finally, let's go ahead and open this very little package, that pouch, and get out this controller. So obviously, right, this is only one button, there's nothing else. You can put it on your keychain, which is pretty cool. This is like a grip for the finger, so that's very nice too. And that back side, it's already in the position number 2, if you can see it. I hope you can, right? So this will be position number 1, and this is the position number 2. RC-6, Canon Incorporated, made in China. And is it coming with the battery, or do I have to go buy it? Well, I can see here, to open it, you push down here, right? First down and then out. So let's try to open it and see if the battery is included in this package already. Maybe I need 2 hands for it. Alright. Oh yeah. And we can see the battery was supplied. It's a CR2032. This is the orientation, so I can put it back and hopefully successfully start using it with this Canon 80D, which is filming this short video. And the use, well, I believe it works with video only number 2, so I will leave it in the number 1 and try to shut off this video. Let's see if it will work. No, it's not doing anything. Let's put it in the number 2 and let's see if that will stop the video. If I'm pointing on the camera, right? Nothing happened either, and I know why actually. I forgot that in my main menu I had the remote control disabled. So once again, position 1. Let's see if it will stop this video. It didn't. I will put it in the position 2. Let's see what will happen right now. And I disappeared. That means it really, this control can successfully, in the position 2, start and stop video on this Canon 80D. Now, this is awesome. I'm completely pleased with this purchase. It was approximately only $23, including free shipping, so this is perfect. So my friend, make sure you are subscribed, because I will keep buying more and more Canon video gear and I will post it for you on this channel. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day.